Welcome to Favecrafts 365, your daily vlog report about what's happening at favecrafts.com. And there we go, the dogs again barking. Who knows what's going on out there? Right in front of me is a huge picture window, so I get to see the dogs frolicking in our garden. It's very inspiring for me when I'm crafting. A lot of the crafts I do, I use Mother Nature as my color coordinator. My mother was brilliant at it. I did not get the genes. I don't get what colors go with each other. Thus, I usually wear black. Black matches black perfectly. I've got that one down. But if you're ever having trouble getting colors to coordinate, what you might want to do is take a walk, take a break. Go out and see what Mother Nature's doing. Look at the flowers, how they're coordinated. Notice how green seems to go with everything. From all of us at favecrafts.com, we're wishing you a creative day and a walk in nature.